Most indoor plants evolved in soil, right? That's what we're used to seeing. Pots filled with dirt, roots hidden away, and watering cans at the ready. But here's the secret. Plenty of them absolutely thrive in water. In fact, some plants grow even better when their roots are exposed to nothing but fresh, clean water. When you figure out how roots breathe and how stems handle all that moisture, you can turn any old glass jar into a living, low-maintenance piece of art. It's like having a mini ecosystem right on your windowsill, and you get to watch the roots grow and twist in real time. Seriously, it's easier than you think. No fancy equipment, no special skills, just a little curiosity and a willingness to experiment. The trick is to pick plants that don't mind wet feet or love rooting from their stems. Some plants are natural water lovers, and they'll reward you with lush growth and healthy roots. All you need is fresh water, gentle light, and a container that gives their roots some room. Glass jars, vases, or even recycled bottles work perfectly. So, let me walk you through 12 awesome plants that grow with zero soil, just water. These are perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to try something new and beautiful. First up, pothos. Those viney stems root at every bump, and in water, the roots are strong and lush. It's one of the easiest plants to propagate and keep alive. It's fast, it's forgiving, and when you put it in a tall glass jar, the roots steal the show. Next, philodendron heartleaf. This one acts like pothos, but the roots are finer and look almost ornamental in water. The heart-shaped leaves add a touch of elegance to any space. Just give it some bright, indirect light and it'll trail for ages. You can let the vines cascade down a shelf or train them up a support. Lucky bamboo is another classic, though it's actually a dracaena, not real bamboo. It's famous for its sculptural look and easy care. It loves swampy vibes, so just keep the base underwater and the leaves out. You can even add pebbles for extra stability and style. Spider plant. Snip off a baby, toss it in a jar, and watch those roots burst out. It's a fun way to multiply your plants and share with friends. Looks amazing in a row of test tubes on a windowsill. It's like a living science experiment that brightens up your home. Tradescantia, or wandering Jew, is built for this. Its colorful stems and leaves make it a standout in any water garden. Its stems root so fast, you'll see new growth almost right away. It's perfect for anyone who loves quick results. Herbs like mint and basil are made for water too. They're not just pretty, they're practical, giving you fresh flavor at your fingertips. They love the light, grow fast, and you can snip a sprig whenever you need it in the kitchen. It's like having a living spice rack. Coleus brings color to the mix. Its leaves come in a rainbow of shades, making it a real showstopper. Its roots form tight clusters, and the leaves glow against the glass. Place it where it catches the light for maximum effect. Peace lily, totally happy in water, as long as you keep the crown above the surface. It's a great way to enjoy its white blooms without soil mess. Its roots are smooth, cream-colored, and totally chill with constant moisture. Just remember to keep the water fresh for best results. English ivy likes cooler rooms, but its wiry roots go wild in water. It's a classic trailing plant that adapts well to this setup. Don't forget monstera and dracaena. These statement plants look dramatic and thrive with their roots on display. Both root strong and stay sturdy for months, great for statement cuttings. They're perfect if you want a bold, modern look, but the real key? Oxygen. Roots need to breathe, even in water, so make sure your containers aren't too crowded. Keep the water clean, swap it every week or two, rinse the roots and skip direct sun to avoid algae. If you see cloudy water or funky smells, it's time for a change. You're creating a mini aquatic world and the plants do the rest. It's a living display that evolves over time, bringing a sense of calm and wonder to your space. A plant in water isn't just decor, it's proof of how adaptable life is. Watching roots grow and leaves unfurl is a daily reminder of nature's resilience and beauty. If this changed how you see houseplants, hit like, share, and subscribe for more ways to decode the dirt and, yep, the water. There's a whole world of plant magic waiting for you to explore.